Let's take a look at a oil painting on board from 1965. With the colors, a lot of people would distinguish this painting as a mid-century modern painting, but it is by a well-known artist. The artist's name is Francisc Bartók. Bartók was born in 1937. He died in 1987 in Romania. He was the professor of art. He was a professor at the Institute of Fine Art at ESC. The Bartók family name is from Hungarian lower nobility. Bartók, again, was born in Romania in 1937. He has had 23 auction sales to date. Average sales 500 to 1,000, but Romanian artists are quickly becoming in vogue. Bartók had many exhibitions from Bucharest and the rest. His grandfather was the famous Hungarian composer, pianist, who was regarded as one of the most important composers of the 20th century. That would be Bela Bartók. So again, here we have a rare 1965 painting from Romania, from Francisc Bartók, and his grandfather was the famous Hungarian composer Bela Bartók. At some point, the family had some connections to the Ukraine also. I hope you enjoyed looking at this mid-century modern piece of work.